Good morning. It is Friday, August 14th. Happy Friday, everyone. We are going to be looking at what we should do today. So whether you're science or earth and environmental, you're going to click on whichever class is yours. Here's our home page. You're going to go to modules like you normally would. And it is Friday, so we are on day 5. And it's going to take us to this slide right here. So today we are going to be playing catch up. So if you're an 8th grader, your work is right here. This is a checklist of what you need to do or to have done. Many of you already have all of this done, and that is great. I'm so happy that you're following along and doing the work. If you're not, you're going to use today to catch up on the work that you have missed. So make sure you've taken the syllabus and bathroom quiz. Make sure you've done your t-shirt discussion board. If you're an 8th grader, make sure you've done the time management video and discussion board. If you're a 9th grader, make sure you did the COVID-19 video and discussion board. And then both classes, make sure you finish the telescope reading and the comprehension questions and submit that via Canvas. If by chance you have some free time and you would like to keep learning a little bit more about science, something that we can't talk or that we're not going to talk about in our regular course is cybersecurity. So again, this is it's optional, not mandatory. You don't need to do it. It's just a cool, fun thing that I think you might enjoy. So your optional assignment is cybersecurity. Again, this is not a mandatory assignment, but it's a fun way to challenge yourself. Cybersecurity is a growing job industry. Do you like technology? Do you like problem solving? Maybe this is a possible career path. So here's a video of some cybersecurity jobs that are coming up, and it'll tell you in the video that this is a field where we have a lot of need and not a lot of people to fill that need. So it's a very appealing job market for you guys. So you can watch that and learn. It's about 6 minutes. You can learn about the different jobs that you could do in cybersecurity. And then here is the last part of it. So if you would like a taste of cybersecurity and what it really means, we're going to test your abilities on UNCW's CyberStart. CyberStart is a game that UNCW has created. It's actually their IT department. This is part of their application. To see how far you can get on this game is going to depend on whether or not UNCW IT department will hire you. So you click play the game, you click begin, you click next. Sorry, I can read that for you. Pick a challenge. After you've registered, you'll see a list of available challenges. Click one to get started. Read the briefing. Each challenge comes with a detailed briefing with lots of info. Make sure you also check out the extra hints in the yellow box. Tackle the challenge. This is an example of age on the page. You will be able to figure out how old Lars the hacker is. So once you crack the code, you're going to find a secret answer code. Some of the challenges have codes hidden within them. Others will have a pop-up when you're correct. And then you submit it in the purple box once you solve the challenge. So we're going to start. So they've got 5 easy ones, 6 medium ones, and 1 challenge one. So if you start here, for example, you're going to read this briefing, read the tips, and then try to figure out whatever it is here. Sometimes you have to type in here like this. Did it work? Nope, it's not correct. Okay, so I didn't crack it. Once you do crack it, you'll get a code that's going to pop up, and you put it in this purple box right here. You have an hour to see how many you can get done. I finished 75% complete. I could not do it all. See if you can beat me. If you take a picture of your scores and then email it to me, I will offer you 0.5 points extra credit for every 10% level you complete. So if I completed 75% of the challenges, then I would have 3.5 extra credit points. Okay? So good luck with your assignments today. If you have any questions, email me. Like I said, the only mandatory thing is the catch up. So get everything done that we have done this week. The cybersecurity is an additional assignment. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you Monday.